In this section, we'll cover how to use master page templates and style books to create a consistent site and page experience by defining common page elements and applying a unique site theme. Master page templates are a way to define common page elements with fragments. Master pages remove the need to deploy plugins to maintain and manage elements like headers and footers. Every page and page template on a site must be associated with a master page template, even if that master page is the default blank. Individual pages and page templates on the same site can be associated with different master page templates as needed to provide the optimal user experience. Custom master page templates are created from the Design section of the Site menu. Page fragments designated as common elements can be dragged and dropped onto the page. The drop zone defines where elements will be added when content pages use the master. Typically, master page templates are used to define a header and a footer for pages. For instance, adding a distinct Mondego header and footer master means that pages built from that master will automatically use the established header and footer. The Configure Allowed Fragments button is used to specify which types of fragments can be added. For instance, if you create a master used for certain types of written articles, you could select basic components as your only allowed fragments. Style books provide a way to alter general aspects of a site's look and feel without implementing a new theme, such as the color scheme, spacing, layout, and fonts. Style books should not be viewed as a replacement for a theme, but rather as a tool to quickly alter a site's general appearance within the UI without drastically changing the way it is presented. Style books can also be created by developers and associated with themes. The sections you can manage when you create a new style book include color system, or the color theme used for fonts and visual elements, spacing, the spacing between elements, general, which are options to modify color and spacing elements that appear on every page, such as the background color of all pages, layout, which establishes the width of containers on pages, typography, the options for fonts, including font family and size, and lastly, buttons, where you can modify the style, color, and border of default types of buttons. Once created, style books can be selected and applied to any page when editing or applied to the entire site by setting the style book as the default. Mondego's design team has come up with a color scheme for all Mondego sites. To implement this, they create a style book using the selected colors, fonts, and features. This style book is then set as the default and applied to all pages on the site. To create a unique Mondego style and apply it across all pages on the site, the Mondego web and design teams design a set of master page templates to standardize the appearance of different kinds of pages across the site. Design a Mondego color scheme and style, and create a style book to implement the style across all pages on the site. With master page templates and style books, the team can complete these design tasks without leaving the Liferay DXP UI. Let's review our knowledge check for this section. Mondego's web team can create blank, which define common groups of blank for all site pages. All Mondego blank and blank on a site must be associated with a master page template, even if that template is the default blank. Blank provide a way to alter Mondego site aesthetics from within Liferay DXP's UI without needing to deploy a blank, allowing the web team to manage color, fonts, and other design elements.